Chiefs, yeah, to network.
Yeah, through network.
Heartbeat of the Khosi Nation.
Khosi Nation. Love and peace.
Welcome once again to Kaizer Chiefs here to Network. My name is Fumani Mtombeni. I'm with the North of Football. I'm with Spire Makeleni and Mr. Spire Matwan. Big bro. You happy there?
Natsiyaphila futhi.
Asibonge. Today we're here to discuss about Richards Bay versus Kaizer Chiefs. And when I spoke about Mhlathuze, my fellow colleagues told me that, hey baba, abantu abaphumile Mhlathuze abasekho lapha. The game will be held in Kingswell Stadium, which holds at least amount of 10,000 capacity. So yeah, we're looking forward to see Uguti, the stadium, and obviously the stadium will be packed. Fans will be out there. They hardly receive football from such. They want to see Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
They want to see Mthethwa, Ngobo himself, and other big players that are playing for our team. So, in regards to this match, it's an away game for Kaizer Chiefs. It's the first away game for the season across all competitions. What's your take in regards to this game?
It's difficult to predict because I think it's going to be the fourth game for the league. We have challenges, injuries, so you don't know what to expect. Up front, ngubani uzoqala our center back pairing, because we played with Uzitha Miguel and Maloisane. They played very well, so we don't know who's gonna be sacrificed. We don't know who our left back will be available and stuff, but it's gonna be very tough game because I respect Richards Bay. They improved a lot. Last season, they used their home ground very well. They suffocate our teams there in Mhlathuze. So it's going to be a very tough game. But I'm expecting Chiefs to dominate the game. But it's a matter of knowing who bazo winner or what, because it's still early. But I like the break because we will have time to recover. Because after we play MTN 8 on Sunday, Wednesday we play East Kokone, and we play big games Sundowns on Saturday. So I think players, they need this break to recover, and also those players are injured. Maybe they will be back, but it's gonna be a very good game. I hope we're gonna win that game, but I can't say much. I don't know what to expect. But definitely we need to win that game.
Forms of the team. Richards Bay United lost their first game, drew their second, drew their third. Kaizer Chiefs won their first game, won their second game, drew the third. Do you think in this game, like you said, you don't know who they're gonna sacrifice? Bazozidlala striker kule match le?
Yeah, definitely, because the one thing I like about Fernando Cruz is a very offensive coach. Don't mind about last game.
That was an obvious.
It's a different thing because we have issues of defenders, and also we're facing the Sundowns. But it's a very offensive coach. The coach that believe to play with 4-2-3-1. So, and Chislett is back now. I'm expecting him up front as a number 10. Also, Pili left. Also, Upatman has been good, but I'm not sure Upatman what his perfect position. It's a left wing, right wing, number 10, but I don't want him as a striker. Maybe I would rather play him a right, because a right we still have a problem there because we are not sure about Vilakazi. But at least we have option up front. I would like to have my Silva back. We don't have like a proper striker yet, but to Silva, one thing I know, he will score. So I don't know what to expect. But I'm expecting a very offensive Kaizer Chiefs, but it's going to be challenging for a coach, but it's a good headache because you have to sacrifice between Mthethwa and Ndlovu, and they also played very well, because I think in this game we're going to need 2 double pivot. You're not going to need three central midfielders. you're gonna need someone who's gonna play with Umaboa. You can't put Umaboa benching, so it's gonna be between Undlovu and Umthetho. Yeah, but I would prefer Undlovu because Undlovu also can play, but I can't write Umthetho off. If he played with Umthetho, I won't mind. Because if he play with Umthetho, you are sure your defense are safe. Because I'm not sure with my center back pairing, I'm not sure. They are not tested yet. But yeah, it's gonna be a very tough game. But I'm expecting Ama results because Chiefs, when he's playing away, there's an excitement. The fans are coming out here. I don't like when they are playing home, FNB.
They're too comfortable.
I think that stadium is too big for Chiefs. They don't make opponent to feel
they are playing in away game.
So it's gonna be a very exciting game in KZN.
Yeah, well, otherwise every stadium in South Africa is a home game for Kaizer Chiefs. You can say it's away in Limpopo, it will still be filled with more Kaizer Chiefs fans than the actual opponent. But nonetheless, we would like to end the show with your score prediction for the match. What do you think will happen in regards to the scoreline?
I don't know, but I think maybe I would be biased. I think Chiefs will win this one. Yeah, because the confidence is high. As much as we draw against Sundowns, I think it's a win for us. And then they started the season very well. Yeah, so I'm expecting them to win this game. They will come fresh, and I'm expecting them to win. I'm expecting them to win this game.
Okay, we have Matswane, we have Makelen on the background. Mr. Matswane, what is your scoreline prediction for Richards Bay versus Kaizer Chiefs?
It's difficult to predict after 10 days of not having any soccer.
My heart.
Because we don't know what have they been doing in. I can't say pre-season, but it's like a pre-season because they've been just gymming. So let me just give it to Kaizer Chiefs and say 2-0, 2-1 to Kaizer Chiefs.
Mr. Makele?
1-0, 2-1 to Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, I also feel like it won't be an easy game. Chiefs has gained some sort of momentum. You understand? Richards Bay is also hunting for their first win. So you must understand what the coach's job might be on the line or something because of these days. But the dangerous coach, the team that chases the coaches away is Chippa United. But then, nonetheless, I believe it's gonna be a slender 1-0 win for Kaizer Chiefs. It's gonna be. You want me to also go for who's gonna score?
You can go.
Bartman.
Bartman
will score.
Maybe Osangoma told you something that we don't know.
Maybe he will score 2 goals. Maybe he'll give us a hat-trick. Yeah, but he will score.
But I think the coach will definitely do his homework. The crews will do his homework.
Yeah.
Regarding Richards Bay. I think because of it's 9 days, my man.
It's 9 days.
So what would you be doing in 9 days?
Yeah.
Without you not doing your homework.
It gives him time.
Also, as a Richards Bay coach, in 9 days you can come and transform your team. it can be
just for one game.
Just for one game.
And then the next games they are tired the whole season donating points. But this is Kaizer Chiefs here to Network. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share the video, comment, tell us your score prediction, tell us what you think about Kaizer Chiefs playing with Richards Bay today. Love and peace.